Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to update password on Ring account. So without getting delay, let's jump into our video. Firstly, open Ring app. Before this, make sure you have already downloaded Ring app on your device. So after opening your Ring app, it will show you this interface. Here on top right, here on top left corner, you can see three bar. Click on it. It will show you this menu. So here go to account settings and scroll down. In order to update your password, click on password. It will navigate you to this interface. So in this interface, you can see password. On its right side, you can see update link. Click on it. It will navigate you to this interface. Here, in order to verify your identity, enter your password and click on continue button. Now verify your code. Click on verify code. Now here create new password and retype password and then tap on change password. So in this way you can change or update your password on Ring app. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel.